two events A and B are such that probability of A is 0.65, probability of B is 0.45, and probability of A or B is 0.85. Question A, find probability of A and B. So we can see that probability of A, probability of B, and probability of A or B and probability of A and B are involved, and we know that there is a formula which connects all these probabilities, and formula is given in the booklet, and it says that probability of A or B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A and B, and it becomes 0.85 is 0.65 plus 0.45 minus probability of A and B, and it becomes 0.85 is what, 1.1 minus probability of A and B, 1.1 to the left, or negative probability to the left to be positive, and 0.85 to the right. To get that, the required probability of A and B becomes what, 1.1 minus 0.85, which is what, 0.25. Or it can be found using the Venn diagram, and we can illustrate the next information using the Venn diagram. And notice that if you meet probability of A and it is used or should be substituted in those formulas, it means the total circle, not A only, and hence we write 0.65 here. It's not A only, it's not this region. And for B, the same for B, 0.45. And A or B, it's where? It's somewhere within circles. It's A only, B only, or A and B within circles. And hence we can conclude that outside the circles, it's what? It's 0.15. And actually there is such a formula may be useful, that at the same time A naught and B naught, it's what? It's at the same time not A and not B. It means where? Outside the circles, it's neither, it's here. And it is equal to A or B within circles and then not. And not, it means what? 1 minus probability of A or B. It's 1 minus 0.85, which is 0.15. So to find A and B, where is A and B? It's this intersection. We can denote it as X, then A only 0.65 minus X, and B only 0.45 minus X. Then this sum is equal to what? A or B is 0.85, or together with this, it's just one total probability. So it becomes 0.65 minus X plus 0.45 minus X is 0.85. And you can see that it becomes 1.1 minus X is 0.85. So X is 0.25, which is probability of A and B as required. The next, B. Find probability of not A given not B. It's conditional. Probability formula is given in the data booklet, and it says that probability not A given not B, it's and in the numerator probability of not A and not B, and divided by probability of this given not B, it is equal to, at the same time, not A not B, it's what? It is neither, it's 0.15. You can illustrate, if you use just a formula, you can illustrate on the Venn diagram, or you may just understand that at the same time, or A not and not b, it's 1 minus, or it's a or b and then not, which is 1 minus probability of a or b, and it's just outside circles, and it's 0.15. And probability of not b, it's what, 1 minus probability of b, and again probability of b, it means total circle, not b only, so it should be 0.45, and it becomes 0.15 divided by what, it's 0.55, and it's 15 over 55, and we can divide by 5 to get 3 over 11. And that's all for this question.